to watch a nigga ignite. I get high off your presence. You give me ecstasy when I'm tired and stressing. I thank God you a blessing. But though you might affect me in the long run, I'm just happy that you'll protect me when the storm comes. Without you, I probably been commit suicide. You brought the truth to lies, kept my crew alive. So I don't know what I'd do if you would die. I'd probably hang myself. Without you, I can't explain myself. No protection from the storm, mean the rain get felt. I just want to say thanks for your help and mad love. Your loyalty for sure, I will call you my best bud. My love for you would never change. My first, last, and everything. You can't spell Marley without Mary. On my 12th birthday party, we got married and been together ever since. But separated for a minute. Believe me, I was craving just to hit it. But my probation wasn't finished. Got 3 months to go till you'll wait me at the finish. Hungry for your love, I'm mistaking it for spinach. The color of the ball that they playing with in tennis. I said, I love you now, even though you gained a couple pounds. Because you never front when that nigga Dutch around. That's why I'm faithful to Mary and I don't fuck around. I want to near me until they bury me underground. Throughout my lifetime, you been a nice dime. Now you more than a dub, getting more of my love. My love for you would never change. My first, last, and everything, Mary Jane.